Hello there YouTubers, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am just doing a Bujo daily and basically this video will combine aspects of both of my Skillshare classes. The first Skillshare class is watercolor journaling for artists and beginners, and that's what I'm doing here. My Bujo daily. This template that I developed that you can find out about it in that class is designed to encourage daily watercolor practice. And here you can see I am doing a stylized watercolor portrait of my nephew and his new wife, my nephew Josh and his new wife Sarah. And this goes along with my second Skillshare class, which is easy stylized portraits of family and friends. So I'll put a link to my Skillshare classes in the description below. And if you want to check that out, that would be really great. It supports my art and assists me in the ability to keep making videos. And anyway, this video not only is to promote those two Skillshare classes, but also to practice filming in front of a camera. So what I really should have done was set up my lights, but I didn't. Instead, I just turned on the flash, so hopefully the lighting's not too bad on this video. But here I am coloring in their skin tones, and probably went pretty fast on the drawing. You can see the drawing in the upper left hand corner, and at the end I'll post a picture of the painting, sorry. I'll post a picture of the painting and the finished product. I always got to put pink cheeks on the women, and I do cheeks on the men too, but it's more like a peachy color. And so the elements of my watercolor template, which I go into more detail on my Skillshare video, would be my banner, which includes the day and the date, and then the weather icon, and then a little avatar that represents what I'm wearing and what my hair looks like, and that allows me to practice working on hair and working on skin tones and painting people in a stylized way. And then some sort of something in the bottom third that I want to work on, and today it's stylized watercolor portraits. And I have a little inspiration file that has photos that I've printed out, and I'll just grab that one. I don't know what to paint and go through it, and this is one of the paintings that I wanted to do, and I'll actually probably do this in a larger size as a gift for Josh and Sarah, and attach the photo to the back. And so here I'm just finishing this up, my painting. And so a couple things I want to point out to you is this brush. It's a Raphael quill, and it's really nice for creating texture without a lot of effort. It just kind of creates texture all on its own, and I just love this brush. And so here I am filling out what I'm going to be doing today, which is going to the gym and filming this video. Okay, thanks for watching my video. On the right, you can see the stylized custom portrait of my nephew Josh and his wife Sarah. And on the left, you can see my reference photo. And if you'd like to know an easy way to do these stylized custom watercolor portraits, then be sure to check out my Skillshare class, Custom Stylized Watercolor Portraits. Hey, thanks for watching, and like and subscribe. It means a lot in the internet world. Hey, thanks a lot. Bye.